So here we have 3 Illinois Central locomotives, SD40-2, at least the 2 front engine with dynamic braking, and then the 3rd engine is without dynamic braking. The first 2 locomotives are by Broadway Limit. The 2nd engine is by Athearn Trains, so it's the E.M.D locomotive. Then the next 3 cars are the 50-foot insulated box cars for like refrigerated storing, but they're not mechanical. Then you have the 4750, forget. They're Intermountain, but they're the 3-bay covered hopper. And then the next cars are those quad hoppers by Tangent. And then my last car, well, last 2, one is a Bachmann. It's an insulated box car as well, but it's a track clean car. And then the Illinois Central Centralia caboose by Tangent. So there's that. Yeah, so the 4750 is the cubic volume on those cars, but well, it's too bad, you know, in real life, when I was a kid, there used to be 4 of these SD40-2 locomotives that would pull a whole 100-car train. Of course, I know they're model trains, but it'd be nice if they had the pulling power of the real thing. So we're about to go down the 4.5% grade, and then it'll be up the 4% grade from there. I like the Illinois Central. This is a Death Star paint scheme. Also, I forgot to mention, the first 2 engines are a Lifesaver Operation, or Operation Lifesaver paint scheme, which is pretty neat. I really like that. I don't know if these are the identical engines that went through my hometown area, but other than the sound, the horn being a little low on the Broadway Limit versions, it seems to run pretty nice. The Broadway's is not running as high pitched as the Athearn engine, so they run a little slower at the same percentage, but other than that, they run pretty great. But yeah, we're going down this big percentage grade, and well, 2 engines will pull this. It's a 35-car grand total, including the 3 insulated, the 6 4750 cubic volume hopper cars, and then these Illinois Central quad hopper cars, and the box car and the caboose. Makes 35 cars grand total. What probably should only take 2 engines, but with the, you know, grade, maybe that would be pretty prototypical. I don't really know without, you know, sitting down and doing the math and watching some videos, but it just seems like the engines are a little light on their pulling power. Well, here, like I say, we're going up the 4% grade here, which it's under construction right now. It's down to 1 track instead of the 2 as they once had, because the club's going to switch this out and make this grade a little more even. It's also well, more gradual climb instead of leveling out here at one place like it does. They're also going to make this triple main for a short little piece, and then a switch will come off for this other spur line that comes off. So it'll still be two double main, but just a 3rd track for that spur there. For a short little piece, it'll be triple main. And I'm not sure how prototypical this would be, but see, as you can see, the ditch lights even flashed. I don't know if they really would have done that back in the day, but maybe being their Operation Lifesaver locomotives, that is, would be prototypical. I don't know. Now we gotta stay ahead of this train to throw these tracks in the correct direction. Okay, we got that set, and we got that set. So now we'll see if the engine gets through. Earlier we had a little bit of a problem of this train going through. It stalled out. Well, I guess that's it for now, folks.